Here's my favorite misconception, and it is literally a misconception. What is a sour drink and what is a tart drink? In my opinion, 95% of your cocktails that are made with lemon, citrus, orange, whatever, are technically a tart drink because you're mixing citrus and sugar, right? Nice tart, right? Think of it as like a galette or a French pastry or something. You're getting a little tart. It has a ton of sugar and then a little bit of citrus or fruit mixed together. Gives you this like little bit of pucker, dances on your palate, cleans it up, sorbet-ish, just like delicious, right? Sour. Sour is that overwhelming feeling of like your mouth is just pulling up with saliva and you're like, yum. It's like when you take a big heaping chip of like, I don't know, sour cream if you're in a Mexican restaurant and you're having nachos, right? Or when you have a really good milk punch if you're in the South and it's just like the person really used a lot of whey and you have like that deliciousness, or you have like a really, really dry, Cabernet and that wine, that red wine, the tannin is just making your whole mouth get like really sour. The reason why we're talking about this is because I feel like sometimes you have these things where people are like, oh, I'm going to make you a sours, and it's not quite sours. It's really some sort of a tart drink. And then some people say, I'm going to make a really tart cocktail. And then they put, milk into it or, some sort of heavy cream or something. So I kind of just wanted to like talk about balancing those two cocktails and like what a good rule of thumb is, right? So for the at-home bartender or somebody that's just starting out, using citrus, sugar, boom, tart, okay? Sour, using wine, like a New York sours, sour cream, that's crazy, right? But you use this with any like fruit and lemon component with a little bit of sugar, delicious. Milk is more of your sour cocktails. So if you keep those two separated, you're gonna have a really good time making cocktails. So just remember, tart versus sour, they're not quite the same.